Learning the basics of candlesticks on different time frames and how to use them to read the markets is fundamental when starting your journey into forex trading. To understand how candlesticks work and what they are trying to tell us, it is also necessary to understand MT4 chart timeframes. So, let's start with an empty screen. If you followed videos 2 and 3, you'll have a default template set to a naked chart on the 30-minute time frame. Please right-click in Market Watch over Eurodollar and select Chart Window. OK, now do it again. You may only see one chart, but the tabs at the bottom tell us that we have, in fact, two Eurodollar M30, that's 30-minute, charts available. To display them both, please click on the Tile button to arrange the two windows. When we refer to a chart as M30 or 30-minute, this simply means that each candlestick that we see here represents price movement over a 30-minute period. Therefore, 2 candlesticks represent 1 hour, 30 candlesticks represent 15 hours, and so on. There are 2 easy ways to change this time frame on MT4. On your toolbar, you may select from 1-minute charts up to 1-month charts. Let's select the 1-minute chart for now. Click on the other Eurodollar chart and right-click, select Timeframes, and D1 or Daily. Now I'm going to zoom in on both as far as I can. You will note, of course, that price action on the 1-minute chart is far more active than the daily chart, but they are in fact displaying the exact same current price on the right-hand side of each chart. So, looking at specific candlesticks like these 2 on the daily chart, we can see that we have 3 parts to each candle: the body, the upper wick or shadow, and the lower wick. Being daily candles, they represent price action during 2 days. Specifically, the markets opened here on the 8th of February at $1.0677. During the same day, this figure, the price, went as low as $1.0639 and as high as $1.0713. At the close of the day, the price was $1.0691. How do we know that the price went up during the day and not the other way around? Simple. This candle is green, and in Lesson 2, we told MT4 that we wanted our bull candles to be green. Then, when the markets opened on the 9th of February, the price was still at $1.0691. During that day, the price went to its highs and lows and finished here. Contrary to its neighbor from the day before, this is a red bear candle, so we know that price finished lower on the day. Let's take a look at today's daily candle. You may remember that during our setup, I asked you to select Open, High, Low, Close in the chart properties. This is it here. These figures clearly state what today's candle is telling us. It is red, and therefore we know price is lower on the day. Price opened this morning at $1.0542. It has been as high as $1.0556, as low as $1.0497, and is currently at this price. Obviously, this figure will be continually updated until the end of the trading day. Then the candle closes and a new candle starts over. If we look back at the M1 chart, we can see the exact same price is being displayed, but we have a lot more movement. Instead of each candle representing 1 day, these candles represent price movement over the last 60 seconds. We will cover how to read and interpret candlestick combinations and patterns in our education series. To review, in this lesson we covered the structure of a candlestick, the meaning of different time frames, tiling multiple charts, and open, high, low, close. In the next lesson, we will look more at multiple time frames and arranging multiple MT4 charts.